Hello and welcome to Dress for My Day. This is Kay and I'm so glad that you have joined me. Today is going to be my final video for a couple of weeks. I'm taking off a little bit of time for Christmas just to enjoy the time with my family and also to regroup a little bit and kind of get in the right frame of mind to really chart out some good programming for you in the coming months. So I just need a little bit of break, just, it's kind of that time. So hang with me. And meanwhile, if you would like to kind of look at some of the videos that maybe you haven't seen before, I'm going to list some that are really good down below and maybe mention some today too. What are we doing here today? We are going to look at what I'm packing for my Christmas holiday. In about a day or so, I think, after this video comes out, we will be traveling to visit family this Christmas, my side of the family, and hopefully next year we'll get to see James's side of the family. But we will be doing some festive things in the next few days, over this long weekend of a holiday. We will be doing a Christmas Eve service, a Christmas morning service, family gatherings, a dinner at my aunt's house. So just several things. I know we'll be going out for breakfast a couple of times. And tell you what, I'll just explain what I'm wearing as I go through this. The good news is this has really helped me to go ahead and get packed. And I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be wearing. Now, these are just things from my real life wardrobe. These are the outfits that I love. My mom, I was talking to her earlier today and telling her what I was doing. And she says, well, you're not packing much, are you? And I said, yeah, I am. I am packing all the holiday things that I want to wear because, I've got these things that I want to wear for holidays and I'm going to wear them. So I'm packing quite a bit. We are not flying, we're driving. So I absolutely can do that. So this is not a minimalist packing wardrobe. This is Christmas holidays and I'm going to wear some festive things. Let's get started. This first outfit is probably what I'll be wearing to travel. We are supposed to have some frigid, cold weather, even down south where we are going into Georgia. So I'm preparing for that and I am wearing my fleece-lined pants from Talbot's. Now, they didn't come out with any fleece-lined pants so far this year. I don't know what's up with that. They've had them the last several years. I love them. They've always been top sellers at my blog and here at the YouTube channel. So I'm wearing them and I know my mom will have hers on when I get there too. So these are my black ones from Talbot. So these are just really nice looking black pants, but they do have a fleece lining. And on my travel day, I think I'll probably wear this camel sweater. It's a hoodie, really fun, kind of I think it is a cashmere blend sweater, and hopefully maybe at least it's available in some color or another. It was a really good buy from Nordstrom, so I'll link you. I'm linking to anything that's available, okay, ladies? So like I said, this is all from my closet. If it's available, I'll give you a link. If it's not, I might be able to find a substitute, we'll see. And so really just a straightforward outfit here. I'm going to carry my camel parka coat from Talbot's also. I think that will go with most everything I'm showing you. And here I'm wearing my black Chelsea boots. They're also from Talbot's. I've just decided on 2 pairs of boots to take and I think a couple of pairs of shoes. So keeping it pretty minimal when it comes to the footwear. So I do want to be warm that day. I want to be in layers though, so that if I think I'll still be fairly cool enough if we, crank up the heat in the car in this outfit. And it's very comfortable, so it's very travel worthy. Now, I'm actually going to show you a couple other things with those same pants that I may be wearing another day or so. So this is one of those little festive kind of Fair Isle type sweaters. It's a striped Fair Isle, also from Talbot's, red. I just thought, hey, if there's a time to wear it, this is it. So I might as well take it with me. This is a very soft, cozy sweater. I really like it. And then I'm also showing you those same black pants with this red button-up shirt from Athleta. And here's my thinking. On Friday, I'm going to be spending the entire day with my mom and dad at their house, really helping them get ready for a family gathering on Saturday. So I want something that is not going to be too heavy as I am working. Hopefully they will leave something for me to do. Do you know how that goes? So I'm hoping that when I get there, they haven't done everything and I'll get to do some vacuuming or dusting and cooking and stuff like that on Friday to help mom out. And so I want to be comfortable. And so I think this will be, this shirt is so stretchy, it's lightweight, but of course it's long sleeves. So I'll have both of those with me that day, that sweater and that button-up shirt. I'm not staying with my mom and dad, by the way. I'm staying with my daughter and son-in-law. And so that's why I'm just going to be going over there though to help with that party that day. Now, the next day is the party. It's a family gathering, and I want to look festive but still feel really comfortable. We're a fairly casual bunch, but I think everybody dresses pretty nicely in my family, but we will be dressed down pretty casual. So I'm thinking of a couple options. One is these red corduroys, because I just have really enjoyed wearing these red corduroys. They're a stretch corduroy from Talbot's. They're a straight leg. Love them. So I'm wearing my camel colored suede booties here. So that's my second pair of booties that I'm taking. And this camel colored sweater, once again, that same sweater with a hoodie. So that's just kind of a very minimal look. Now I also, that same day, that's Christmas Eve, will be going to a worship service that evening, a Christmas Eve service at my daughter's church. And so I thought these plaid pants, I love these pants. These are Talbot's Hampshire ankle pants and in this plaid, and they are so, in fact, I'm wearing them right now. You can't see it, but I'm wearing them right now. Normally, as we're shooting this part of the video, I always really change into something really comfortable, but these are so comfortable that I just don't mind. They feel so good. They have some stretch in them. They're just a nice weight, not real heavy, and I love them for the holidays. I just want to get all the wear I can out of them. I'm actually wearing them to a dinner party tonight too, but I love them with this little bit more of an ivory cashmere sweater. I think this is my Jenny Kane. I think it's kind of like, they call it a fisherman cashmere sweater. So this is a pricey sweater. This is the one I took the plunge on this year when I was doing my blog post about which cashmere is best. And honestly, this is the nicest cashmere sweater I have. I love it. It feels so soft, so lovely. It has that nice detailing. So I think it looks really nice with these pants. It just makes the pants look a little bit more casual, but I wanted to keep them a little dressy because if I have the chance, I want to wear these sparkly gold pumps. Now I think they are completely sold out now from Ann Taylor. Last I checked, there was a pair of size 10s left and that was it. And maybe that's you. That's good. I wear a 9.5, so I get it. So those are just great. The little shoes, they're so comfortable, and I love the way this works with a very kind of a casual outfit, casual sweater, kind of an elevated, chic pair of pants, and then those dressy, sparkly pumps. I just think that's fun. Now, if I decide instead of wearing those pumps, I could wear these flats. I love these flats. They're from Ally. They are also one of my favorite shoe brands that I work with. And if you use the coupon code KHEELS, then you do save, I think it's like $40 or $50 or something like that off of your first pair of heels. Or if you use the code KFLATS, I know you save 10% on your first purchase of flats. And these, I'm actually wearing these right now too because they are so comfortable. They have great padding in them. They just feel so good. They are just a really high quality, really soft inside too, so I like that. Great shoes. So you'll be seeing those a couple of times in my outfits because I think they're a great little shoe to pack because they are that nude color for me. They just really work with so many things I'm showing you. Now, I could also, though, wear these pants again the next day because see, that night I'll just be seeing my daughter and son-in-law, so the next day I'll see different people. So I can wear those same plaid pants, get all the wear out of them I can. And this time I thought I would top them though with my green. It's a cashmere hoodie from several years ago. I don't think it's not available, of course, but I think, these pants do look good with this olive green, this kind of a dark, I guess kind of more of a hunter green. I don't know my greens. It's green and I love it. I love this combination. Now here I'm wearing it with booties too because I wanted you to see that these pants, they're probably not the ideal length for me to wear with these suede booties, but they work because the booties don't have just a real high shaft. They are still available. They're from Blondo and they're a water resistant suede bootie and I love them. I got them in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I think they're marked down again and available and they are so comfortable. So this will work too. Like I said, it's supposed to be really, really cold. And so I may be ditching all these little flats and heels and just wearing booties, but it does work. Now for my next look, because somewhere in there, I'm probably gonna throw this pair of pants in there too. These are those Black Watch plaid pants, another pant from Talbot's. I've actually had these a couple of years and I just love them. They're so fun to wear, especially at this time of year. You can wear them all winter, but let's be honest, I'm probably not gonna wear them much past the Christmas holidays. So I've topped them with that same green cashmere hoodie for a very casual look. Now, I remember I wore these last year on Christmas Eve with a beautiful navy blouse from Ann Taylor. So, that was gorgeous. And, I wore some sparkly shoes or something. So you can elevate these pants, but for what I know I'm I'm going to be doing for my Christmas holiday. I think I'm going to just keep it kind of casual, and so I'm going for more of that elevated casual vibe here. And so I think I really achieved that here. And this time I did wear my black leather booties because I just like that whole darker intensity all the way through the outfit. Now, if I need to go from point A to point B, which it does sound like I'm going to be doing that a good little bit on my holiday, I thought this time I would wear my gray coat that I got from Talbot's. Actually, this coat was even gifted to me. So this is a great coat, though. It has that nubby texture. I'm not really sure if it is a boiled wool or if it's just a textured wool, but it is so nice, very nicely lined, really nice weight, beautiful coat, and I thought I would take it as my second coat. Now, you know how after you eat all that holiday stuff, all the holiday goodies and sweets and all that stuff, you just crave something like plain, like some just chicken noodle soup or something. Well, I think that's how it's going to be after I have worn all those holiday outfits. I think come Monday when we do something with my daughter and son-in-law, I might want to wear something more vanilla. And so I have pulled out these gray straight leg jeans. Actually, I just recently got them. I wore them last night to the movie and out to dinner for a little date night. I love them. So what happened is in last week's video, I featured my gray Fidelity jeans that are a bootcut jean. And one of my viewers mentioned that she had found these straight leg jeans from Gap. I jumped on it because I had been wanting a pair of full length straight leg jeans in gray. So I ordered these. Now I ordered them in the regular fit and in tall. I am 5'8", and I actually ended up going with the tall. So these are a little long on me. They have a raw edge hemline, so I actually could even cut off an inch and it would be fine. I may even do that. I may cut off an inch. So I'm just at that borderline of needing a tall or not needing a tall. But what's interesting is that I found that the rise in these jeans, that's the distance from the crotch to the top of the waist, is actually longer than it is for the regular length. So that kind of made me think, boy, I want the tall more often because this just really works better for my body. So think about that. Otherwise, they are, I'd say, true to size or maybe size up. I think I actually did size up in these, but I did get the tall length. Love these jeans, so comfortable, lots of stretch. They read more like a modern skinny almost. So I guess they're a very slim fit, straight leg jean. So they technically are straight. They do not taper in, but I have thick legs, thick calves, and so they really do read kind of like a slim fit straight. I love these jeans. I just topped them with that same kind of an oatmeal colored, creamy colored cashmere sweater. I've added a beautiful cashmere scarf here, and once again that gray coat. The camel colored booties. I love the way that bookends the look with the sweater. I just love this outfit. In fact, I wore it last night and just love this. And then the next day it will be time to travel home, and so I've pulled out my other pair of fleece-lined pants from Talbot's. I actually have a navy pair too, but these are the Ivory pair. I think these came out 2 years ago, and of course I've topped them with this camel and ivory colored Fair Isle sweater from Talbot's. Once again, it's kind of one of those more subdued outfits, but I think that that Fair Isle yoke has a little bit of a holiday feel to it, so I think this will feel great to travel home that day. Works well with that camel colored parka again and those suede booties. So that's what I'm taking on my trip. I'm sure I'll throw in another scarf or two, some gloves. I think I'm carrying just my black shoulder bag, and I think I'm limiting myself to those 2 coats. I will take something to exercise in. Of course, I'll take pajamas and undies, but these are the outfits that I'll be wearing on my Christmas holiday. And speaking of Christmas, I just wanted to take this opportunity to wish all of my viewers a really, really happy holiday season. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and whatever this Christmas holds for you, because I am getting to spend this Christmas with family, Lord willing, you know, and I'm very grateful for that. We won't have everybody there, and so you know, that's always a little sad. We won't all be there, but some of us will. And I don't always get to do that though. I think last Christmas was very different. Christmas before that, I think it was just me and my husband. I mean, we've had Christmases where it's just been the 2 of us. We've had Christmases when we've traveled and been with family. So whatever you're doing this year, I want you to remember that this is a season to celebrate Emmanuel, God with us. What a gift What an amazing, amazing gift that should make a difference in our life every day. And so I do pray and hope that you have a lovely day of at least having a few minutes to reflect on and think about and be grateful for Emmanuel, God with us. What a generous gift that was. All right, ladies, thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in a couple of weeks. I think 2 or 3 weeks, okay? Have a happy Christmas.